In this video, we're gonna be frying fish using these 3 ingredients. We have yellow cornmeal, ground black pepper, and Lawry seasoning salt. That's the only thing we're gonna need to make our fish. All right, I'm gonna use this plastic container. It's about 2 quarts, and I'm gonna actually go ahead and put my cornmeal in, our seasoning salt, and then also we'll get our pepper put in there. Then I'll put the lid on, and then just start giving it a mix. All right, this recipe is simple enough if you are having a few people or if you're having a fish fry. Thing I like to do is, if you're having a fish fry, keep it simple. If you're serving a lot of people, you don't need to have this recipe that has a ton of stuff in it. These 3 ingredients is all you need to have the perfect fish fry, and your family will just love it. All right, what we wanna do is get us a nice large size bowl. We wanna sprinkle some of our batter in this bowl. Nice and evened out. And we have our fish. Today, we're gonna be using walleye that we're gonna be serving up. Let that roll around in there a little bit more. Making sure that's battered on both sides. See, it needs more batter on that side. Just add a little bit more in there. Now we got that piece battered. We're gonna add this into the grease. Now, we got this grease at 350 degrees. And we're using peanut oil today for frying our fish. We got one more piece to put in there. This almost reminds me of when I was younger and my folks all cooking fish. All right, looks like they are finished. Look at that, guys. Woo. Nice looking fish. I left them in there about 8 to 10 minutes. I wasn't actually counting. I usually wait till the bubbles stop sizzling so much. Listen how that sounds. All right, guys, now it's finally time to taste it. But first, I want to show you how this looks. I'm gonna break into this. Look at that. Can you see that? Oh my goodness, that looks good.